Hey guys, welcome back to another product review. So all of my products, unless stated otherwise, are not sponsored. This is my personal purchase and let's get started. So I have here, hopefully I'm spelling or saying it right, TARION DSLR camera equipment bag. And I will leave it in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing it. This is one of their newer designs, I think, and it's a little bit more pricey than their other backpacks. But I got this specifically because of travel purposes as a photographer and videographer. The shoulder Canon bag that came with my camera and one that I eventually brought later just wasn't cutting it, and it was really hard to travel with it. So I bought this to try to, you know, get some better use while I'm traveling as a videographer and photographer and making it easier on me as I travel. I also am going to double this as a bag for school. So let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, as I said, I'm going to double it as a bag for school because I like to use things that I can, or buy things I can also use for multiple purposes. So first off the bat, I love how square it is. And this was packaged with a box inside a box. So double points on how well it was packaged. This here is stainless steel, I think it's steel. You can look in the product description through the link. And it'll tell you what it is, but it's definitely metal. It's not plastic, and it's one of the reasons why I went for this one. So the first thing I notice is this, of course. You can adjust it however you like, and it is square, which I like it. I like how square it is. So here's the side. This is where you would probably get out the camera. Here's the back. That's what it looks like. Got the tag here. It's the other side. And here's the front. Here's the bottom where you can put your tripod at the bottom there. And it does have like this leather type material at the bottom here. I'm guessing just to reinforce it. So let's go ahead and inspect it. So first things first is we're going to go ahead and open up the top here. So you guys can see it does open up all the way. So here's the top. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And it actually opens. Does it open down the side? Oh, it does. It opens down the side here. And it opens up like this. This is one of the reasons why I wanted this one. Is because I did want to use it as a book bag. You can see in here, this is what it looks like on the inside all the way down there. It's really hard to see. But there's a pocket here for an iPad or a laptop. This is probably where I'll store folders for school. But there's also a little ledge here where if you wanted to, you could put like clothing and stuff. If you were traveling and you wanted to extend this to put some clothing or other items in here. One thing I'm noticing right away after reaching in here is this comes out. And this is something no one said. No one said anything about. So this you can take this out. This little ledge here can be removed. But we're going to keep it back down in there because it protects your camera gear. So, but it can be removed, just so you guys know. There are little straps in here to reinforce your laptop so that it stays, you know, in there, and it just protects it a little bit more. And that's all as far as the that part. The stitching is great. Got a lot of reinforcement, and the material is a good material. It's really nice, good material. Probably easy to clean and lasts long, I think. Alright, so let's look at the front. the other part, which is this part here. I'm going to just sit it on its face. It's got a good thick front here for protecting your camera gear. So here's where all the camera gear stuff is going to go, is in here, which I didn't initially like that about this bag. I'd rather it be on the back here because that's a good way to keep things from getting stolen if you're like traveling and stuff like that. But I actually came up with a good idea, and I'll share with you guys later how to protect it from theft. So there are some straps here to help reinforce your stuff, and it can actually be tightened, so we're gonna go all the way down there so you can see like there is some Velcro strips in here, down in here. And then it has the bag cover, so if it's raining you can put this on top of the bag. So it has that in here. And then of course it has these extra zippers to put more extra things in. There's even like little pockets here to put SD cards in. And from what I see, that's it. And of course you can take all of this out. So that's it in the front. Let's go ahead and turn it to the sides. So here's one side. Okay, so this is, I think, where you get your camera out at. There's another pocket here for goods. So that's cool. And the things here, the tags here are waterproof. So you don't have to worry about the metal, I guess, on the tags, I guess, rusting or whatever. I'm not sure why that's metal or waterproof, but that's just, they're more like this material that's around here, like a leather type material. Let's go to the other side. And this pocket is, well, a pocket. So you can put stuff in right here. So it's not to be confused with the camera side where it opens all the way up. The material is great. Really well made. Great material. And I do like this back here. It has a bottom reinforcement instead of a top at the shoulders here. It's not reinforced at the shoulders. It's at the bottom of the bag instead. I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference or not. I guess I'll see when I put it on for you guys. So here is the back of it. It's got like this breathable material here and some ribbing, I guess for comfort. But it's very breathable and feels really nice and soft. Hopefully that's easy to clean. I'm hoping so. It's got wonderful, comfortable straps. There is a mesh on the back of these straps that is also breathable. And this thing here, you can adjust. I'm not guessing it's for the strap itself, but the strap here, you can adjust it, how tight you want it. And then I guess you can also adjust this part here. I'm not sure what these are, these rings, but they're there, so whatever they're for. Probably for extra strapping if you want to, I guess. I'm not sure. So that's the full review. It has a handle here that's more of a leather type material. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And so far I like it. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how well it's gonna be as far as like, you know, how versatile it's gonna be. It's definitely gonna be better than my shoulder straps for sure. And real quick, I'm gonna tell you how I protect it from theft. what my plan is. So this right here, there are 2 zippers here. So I ended up getting this thing here. This is a zipper lock. You could put 2 zippers on together and lock them. I have 2 of them, and I got this from Amazon, and I'll link this in the description box below as well. I have 2 of them, so I'm going to be using one here, and I'm also going to be using one here to make sure that they're protected and that the zipper isn't, you know, people can't steal while I'm wearing it. So I'm going to be doing that for added protection. Otherwise, the bag looks beautiful. It's wonderfully made. As a woman, sometimes we are really picky about what things look like because we like everything to look fashionable. But as a photographer and a videographer, I kind of don't have time for that. But then again, this is a good looking bag. It doesn't look like a big, huge book bag. I hope this review was helpful. I wasn't able to finish it correctly as I would want, but I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you an understanding on this product specifically. Again, if you're interested in this product at the time of this video, it is still up on Amazon. All you have to do is look at the links in the description box below. Good luck, photographers and videographers out there, as you continue in your career and in your craft.